Design of siRNA. siRNA consists of 21 to 23 nucleotides of double-stranded RNA. Usually, GC percentage or the GC contents in case of siRNA is less than 50%. It is more functional when it has perfect complementarity to the target messenger RNA. Targeting the 3 UTR region works better rather than 5 UTR regions. This is the design of siRNA. These are the nucleotides, consist of 19 nucleotides of siRNA. There are 3 main parts of siRNA. Here, this is 5 end of sense or 3 end of antisense strand. There are 2 strands. In green color is the sense strand, while in blue color it is the antisense strand. Sense strand is called as passenger strand, while the antisense strand is called as guide strand. In case of 5 end of sense strand, there is strong duplex stability here. There is a high GC contents. Here there is a high GC content. And there is A mean adenine at the position 3 of the sense strand. Here we can see that at position number 3, there is adenine. In case of middle portion of siRNA, there is low stability in this region. Usually there is U at position number 10. Here we can see. And there is H mean no G at the position 13. Here we can see. While on the third part of siRNA, that is the 5 end of guide strand or AS, which is called as antisense strand, there is a low TM of the seed region. Usually it is AU rich region and it promotes the PISC incorporation. So this is the design of siRNA. There are 3 different main parts. Each have some role for the function of the siRNA. This is the difference between the mode of action of siRNA and miRNA. This is mode of action of siRNA and this is the mode of action of miRNA. In case of siRNA, this is siRNA that consists of 21 nucleotides. It completely hybridizes with the messenger RNA and ultimately cleaves the messenger RNA. So this is the mode of action of siRNA. While in case of miRNA, miRNA that can also consist of between 21 to 23 nucleotides, it usually sometimes have mismatch pair with the messenger RNA, and if even it has a mismatch, here we can see that this is a mismatch. It is not completely complementary to the messenger RNA sequence. Even if there is a mismatch, it can arrest of the translation. So this is the difference between the mode of action of siRNA and miRNA. These are the different designs of siRNA. These are different designs. siRNA can be in the form of 20-mer siRNA, blunt siRNA, ccsiRNA, shRNA, siRNA, aiRNA, fork siRNA, pre-miRNA, 27-mer siRNA, dumbbell siRNA, 16 nucleotide siRNA, and ssRNA. So these are different designs of siRNA which are present in different species. If we concentrate on the design of siRNA, in case if we found such a design of siRNA, which is usually called as class 1 siRNA, in which there are AU, most of the nucleotides are AU. Here we can see that here, if the AU nucleotides are 4 or more than 4, then it is a highly effective siRNA, which is called as class 1 of siRNA. While on the other hand, if there is GC contents here are the GC contents that can be 4 or greater than 4, then such a structure of siRNA is less effective. So that belongs to class 3 siRNA. So this is the difference between the design and the effectiveness of the siRNAs. These are the highly affected. If such a structure, it is highly affected. And if such a structure where GC contents are more as compared to AU contents, then such a siRNA is less effective. So if we conclude about the design and mode of action of siRNA, it consists of 21 to 23 nucleotides of double-stranded RNA. It usually has perfect complementarity with the sequence of the messenger RNA. And when usually it targets to 3' UTR, it works better as compared to 5 UTR region of the messenger RNAs.